It is time to talk tech, thanks to our partners Noel Leeming. Artificial intelligence is used every day by many Kiwis, from ChatGPT on our computers to using it on our phones. But what is an AI TV? Stu Buckerfield is Services Product Management Lead at Noel Leeming and joins me this morning. Stu, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so tell me, is there such a thing as an AI TV, or is it more that there are AI features on a TV now?
So the latest, probably 2025 models, they actually have AI, artificial intelligence, integrated within the TV. So it is an AI TV, for sure.
So not just something I would search and say, you know, like you would on Google or on a phone, but actually inbuilt features. What are you talking about?
So it's everything from your screen and your picture to your sound to integrated smart assistant features. So from a picture point of view, there's a lot of smarts that are happening in the background. It's probably less gimmicky than what you'd think with some of the artificial intelligence nowadays. So as an example, if you're watching older, lower resolution footage, let's say 720p, it will automatically upscale that to a higher resolution, sometimes close to 4K resolution. It uses AI algorithms, and it will essentially fill in the missing pixels based on the original content. So yeah, and that happens automatically in the background.
That's incredible. What about sound?
So sound, very similar. So it will enhance the sound. So I don't know whether it's my hearing as I'm getting older, but essentially I turn the TV up really loud to hear some of the narrative or some of the talking. And then when there's the big sound, the booming soundtrack or the explosions, and it's shaking the whole room, what the AI inbuilt with the new TVs, it'll actually flatten out the sound. So the whispers actually will remain audible, and the explosions ain't gonna, wake the neighborhood.
One of the most annoying things about watching movies is that problem. We used to have it. I used to work in telly, and we would get complaints all the time about the ads being way louder than the program.
This flattens it.
Right.
Yeah, so a lot of this is all happening in the background, so you don't have to change the settings. So if you were to go, as another example, you go to watching some content which is really dark. As an example, I don't know whether you've seen Game of Thrones. Some of the scenes were incredibly dark. What this will do now, it will understand the scenes that you're watching, and it will brighten up that scene for you. And if you were to go to watch something completely different, something very vibrant, it will also adjust it, so it'll actually maintain the clarity that you need.
This is the kind of stuff AI should be about.
Agreed. Agreed.
What about your more traditional, what we think of traditional, where you search for stuff? Can you do that on TVs? Presumably you can.
Yeah, you can. So the new ones have a dedicated, like a smart assistant button. You hold that down, and then you can search using the remote. So it's far easier than using the buttons. The cool thing about it is, rather than having to jump into one application to find something and then another, it will actually search through all the applications on the television, so it saves you a bit of time. But I think it's more conversational as well, so rather than having to give it the robotic commands, you can say something like, show me movies similar to Jurassic Park, and it will suggest similar movies, and it will personalize the suggestions based on what you've been watching in the past. So yeah, it's actually quite useful.
And how will I know whether it's an AI TV? Is basically anything from here on out that's being sold to me probably an AI TV, or do you have to look for a label or something? There
will be a label on there for sure. So it'll be from 2025 onwards, and you absolutely check out. Not all TVs come with AI integrated, so you just need to look out for the AI symbol.
Fascinating. Good stuff, Stu. Good to see you this morning. Thank you. That is Stu Buckerfield, Services Product Management Lead at Noel Leeming, and that's thanks to our partners, Noel Leeming.